In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image in Google Slides. Adding visuals is one of the fastest ways to make a presentation clearer and more engaging, and the process is simple. Start by opening your Google Slides presentation. If you're not already there, sign into your Google account, open the file you want to work on, and make sure you're on the correct slide. Navigate to the exact slide where you want the image to appear so you won't have to move it around as much later. At the top of the screen, click Insert in the menu bar. From the drop-down, choose Image. You'll see several options for where your picture can come from. Upload from computer lets you pick a file that's saved on your device like a JPG or PNG. This is great for logos, screenshots, or photos you've already downloaded. Search the web opens a panel on the right where you can look for images directly. It's convenient, but always make sure you're allowed to use the image, especially for public or commercial presentations. Drive connects to your Google Drive, which is perfect for team assets or previously uploaded graphics. Photos pulls from your Google Photos library, handy if you organize pictures there. By URL allows you to paste a direct link to an image hosted online. Use this when you have a reliable image link and you don't want to download first. Camera lets you take a quick photo using your device's camera if it's available. Once you've chosen your source, select the image you want to insert. Then click Open or Insert depending on the option you picked. The image will appear on your slide, usually centered or near the spot you last clicked. Now adjust the image as needed. To resize proportionally, drag a corner handle in or out so it stays sharp and doesn't look stretched. Side handles change only the width or height, which can distort the image, so corners are usually best. To move the image, click and drag it to the exact spot you want. As you move it, look for the smart alignment guides that appear. They help you center or line up the image with other elements on the slide. If you need finer control, nudge the image with your arrow keys. When you're happy with its size and position, release the mouse. If something doesn't look right, use undo to quickly revert the last change. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Slides tips and tutorials.